Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For anyone who's new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're super curious to see what is in this mystery box, then you're in the right place, so keep on watching. Alright, so my twin, Heather, Crazybeautifulmua, and we wanted to do another collab. And we're like, well, we keep doing eyeshadow palette looks, which are good and fun, but what if we could shop? What if we could take advantage of a sale from Colourpop, buy each other up to $30 worth of products, send it to the other person so they get to unbox the mystery box, put it on our faces, and have a good old-fashioned makeup from Colourpop. That's a collab and a mystery box all rolled into one. I'm like, yeah, why have we done this sooner? So in case anyone isn't aware of who Heather, aka Crazybeautifulmua, is, she is a beauty blogger. She does Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all of the social media stuff, and has a channel here on YouTube, which will be in the card up above. All right, enough rambling. I am dying to see what she bought me, and I'm super curious how twinny we are. If we, got any I don't want to say duplicates, but if she bought me something that I also bought her. Leave me a comment and let me know if this is something you would like to see, almost like a series. Like I'm thinking, ooh, we could do an elf, we could do a Shop Miss A, we could do Wet n Wild, anything that's kind of affordable, because it's nice to get more than just one product. If we did a Charlotte Tilbury, it'd be like, here's your sharpener. All right. Oh my goodness. And what I'd hope doesn't happen is that she hates my box and I love hers. Wow, this is way more products than I thought would be available. Keep in mind, it is Colourpop, and they were having a sale, but still, $30 isn't a lot. All right, what is the first item? What is this? Love the packaging. Is that like a giraffe? What is this? It says pressed powder blush. I love wearing some blush. By the way, in case you're wondering why I look like I do, which is scary, only sporting some mascara and some lip balm, because I knew I'm going to be throwing stuff on my face. Ooh. Wait, is this the same one? I think I got her a bronzer. Don't know if it's the exact same one. Maybe. But I'm super excited because this bronzer not only can, contour bronze, but depending on what the eyeshadow look she got, this can be also used on the eyes. All right, loving first item. Second item, what is this? We have a creme gel liner. Ooh, it's from the Hocus Pocus line. And what shade are you in? Heather, do you know I only wear black? Are you trying to get me to be more adventurous? Yay, she knows I only wear black. Oh no, it's not black. But it is a lovely, what's that, aubergine or eggplant color. I will make it work. You had me with the black packaging. All right, what else came in the box? We have, ooh, okay. I said ooh because I don't know what this is, but I do recognize the packaging. I have an eyeshadow palette from the same line, same packaging. Don't know what that was, but I recognize the packaging. All right, so this is In the Groove Loose Powder Highlighter. Ooh, yes. Must get some shimmer shammer going up in here. This is what it looks like. Ooh, that looks like it's going to be a fantastic shade. It does come with the little plastic bit that I'll peel off. And this as well, I can not only use highlight, but toss it on my eyes if necessary. All right, doing good so far, Heather. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, yes. She knows me. I got a Luxe Gloss. What shade are you in? Are you pigmented colored or just shimmery? Ooh, pigmented colored, or seems to be. It's a coppery shimmer. I love their glosses. Oh my goodness. It almost smells like coffee. Is it coffee? Oh, it smells good, whatever it smells like. All right, there's more items in here. Heather, Sensei, teach me your shopping ways. What do we have here? This is, ooh, Cheek Dew. Need some cheek color, otherwise I'm just pasty pale and I'll float right into this beige background. All right, yes, I love a cream blush. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, nice. It does come safety sealed. She is bright, but let's see how it blends. Lovely. All right, and the last item is the palette. This is a big palette. Heather, I got you one of those little fibers so I can afford the other items. So thank you in advance. I have a feeling she went over budget by a hair. I thought about that and I'm like, no, I'm a rule follower. Next time, I'm just going to get you what I want. All right, you hear me? All right, so this here is the Cabana Club. Heather, this is gorgeous. Heather, this is, you're pushing me outside my comfort zone. Well, no, there's some pinks. I can make this work. But there is when I do a blue look, that one looks like, yes. All right. Today's not the day for the blue look, though. I have to, psych myself up to do such a thing. All right, let's recap everything I got in my $30 mystery box from Heather. So I got a 12-pan eyeshadow palette, a bronzer, a cream blush, an eyeliner, a loose highlighting powder, and a Luxe lip gloss. That is really good. 6 items for $30-ish. All right, so we also agreed that we would do a full face as best we could of Colourpop. So I have some really old and scary looking foundations. What is this from? Called Pretty Fresh. And I have, these are more recent, the concealers. So I'm going to come back with that on my face. Although I'm kind of scared. I don't know if it'll pick up. You see the discoloration in the, yeah. I've had this for a couple of years and maybe I just need to shake it up really, really, really good. And don't hold it by the little plastic cap and try that. I also have this really, really, really old discolored. Also from the same line, Pretty Fresh. This is a primer. Again, I'm going to sit here and shake and try it on my face. If I come back looking like a lobster, you know why. Okay, so I'm back. Good news, and if I look weird, it's because I wanted to show you something. So I put the Pretty Fresh foundation BB cream, I don't know what they call this, all over my face. I did not turn red. Now I remember why I haven't reached for this. It is a super sheer coverage. Yeah. So what I did to stay full on Colourpop is I took the concealers and used it kind of as a foundation. So this one's a little light, this one's a little dark. So I striped it, mixed it, and then I got way more coverage than what's showing up here. So let me speed through this part and then we'll move on to trying on all of the beautiful makeup Heather got me. Is it just me or are my lights extra special washing me out today? When I look at my little hand mirror, I look normal. When I look in the little viewfinder, I look like Casper the Ghost. Time to get some bronzer up on in here because I look scary. Okay, I thought I was crazy. This looks like a bronzer, but it is called a pressed powder blush. Why do they call that a blush? I'm gonna wear it like bronzer, but somebody leave me a comment. Heather, why do they call this a blush when it's clearly a bronzer shade? Or is it? I'm confused. This is where it's going. You know what? I probably should have put the cream blush on first. Let me switch gears just in case. At least one half my face will look decent, but I'm liking this. It's very light, which for me is good. It's not too orange. And after I get the blush on, I will come back and, you know, make it a little more noticeable on camera. All right, I'm not gonna lie, Heather. When I first saw this color, it scared me. But once it gets blended out, it lessens in intensity. All right, here we go. I hope that's not too much. Yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. I'm a doll. Oh, I didn't even consider. No! I didn't consider, like, is there a dry down time? Oh, no, Heather. Heather, help. Oh, okay. Sponge, where are you? Ooh, okay. That was a bit much. But we are just going to, you know, pounce away, breathe, not panic. Okay, yes. Dodged a bullet there. I love a good dampened sponge with a little residue of foundation. Can help just about any rogue blush scenario. Okay. Is it even picking up on camera? It's a perfect shade after I like pounced it out. For real world, on camera stuff always gets washed out. All right, should I go in for a little more? No, we are just going to be blessed that I dodged that bullet and move back to the bronzer. So let me know, did anyone else partake in the 80% off Colourpop sale that was going on a few weeks ago? Do we all already own tons of Colourpop? Do we all like just... But it's 80% off and I didn't get that one thing. Yeah, been there, done that, and we'll always do that. There's something about Colourpop packaging and their products. It's too cute to pass up and too affordable not to buy. Not blaming Heather, not blaming the products, blaming some of this, all of it on my application method or lack thereof. We are just gonna move along. All right, now on to highlighter, and I'm not gonna lie, the loose highlighter, that part doesn't bother me or scare me. What scares me is removing the little plastic bit and not getting highlighter everywhere. Let's pray this comes up easily and isn't messy. Did you see that? There was a... Okay. Ooh. It's still lingering in the air. Ooh, maybe that gave me a nice glow. All right, let's do a little swatch. I just rubbed my finger around the top. I didn't even shake any out. All right. Ooh, that's pretty. Will it show up? Yes. Oh, Heather done did good. Love the tone, love the shade, love how finely milled that is. All right, let's give this brush a try. Also, the problem with the loose stuff is like, I never know how much to put on, but one can never glow too much, can they? I'm not seeing anything. Let me try my finger. She's blingy. When I did a swatch and when I look, it seems more champagne But on my face, it's picking up a little slightly golden. But I don't know if it's because of the cheek colors going on. But this is lovely. I don't know. Let's see. What kind of a look do I want to do? Heather, please tell me this isn't a lip liner that I just put on my eyes. All right, I'm gonna put the lip gloss on and then I'm gonna zhuzh up my hair, retouch up my mascara and come back and show the final look. Okay, here is the final look. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared to use a purple eggplant eyeliner, but what are your thoughts? Also, I'm not gonna lie, the blush scared me, the eyeshadow scared me, even the lip gloss scared me. In the bottle, it's very copper, like penny colored, and I honestly thought it would look just like this on my lips, but it sheared out beautifully. So I'm loving the gloss. Thank you, Heather. The blush, I think, turned out good. Digging the highlighter, yes, and the bronzer. The eyeshadow palette is pushing me out of my comfort zone, which I know, Heather, you did that intentionally. But be honest, what are your thoughts? I had so much fun. I love mystery boxes and doing unboxings, so check. I love collaborating with my twin Heather, check, and I love playing with new makeup. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And make sure you go check out Heather's channel, Crazybeautifulmua. Give her a shout out. Let her know you discovered her channel from this video. All right, thanks everyone.